Second I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, he's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. Ooh, we are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter.
Terima kasih kepada seluruh panitia yang telah bekerja keras untuk mensukseskan acara ini. Terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada seluruh kawan-kawan pengurus Himasep periode 2014-2015, dan terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya saya ucapkan kepada seluruh ibu-ibu dosen prodi agribisnis.
Malam Puncak Agri ini bisa terlaksana dengan baik. Terima kasih kepada Himpunan semua, Himpunan yang saling bahu-bahu untuk terlaksananya Agri ini. Saya perlu sampaikan adekan bahwa Agri ini adalah 100% memang kreasi dan inovasi daripada Himasep. Sama sekali kami tidak ikut campur tangan, kami hanya mengaminkan saja, gitu kan. Betul-betul ini adalah 100% dari kreasi Himpunan Mahasiswa Sosial Ekonomi Pertanian. Tadi Bapak berbisik-bisik dengan Pak Edi, prodi lain ada nggak yang buat seperti ini? Belum.
Kategori dosen terfavorit, ada juga mahasiswa favorit,
dosen teladan, dan yang terakhir ada gerakan terfavorit.
I'm all about that bass, stop that bass, no. I'm all about that bass, stop that bass, stop that bass. I'm all about that bass, that bass, stop that bass, no. I'm all about that bass, stop that bass, no. I'm all about that bass, stop that bass, stop that bass. I'm all about that bass, that bass, stop that bass, no. Simmer down, simmer down. So I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find a ways to fall apart, but our friends are back, so let's raise a cup, 'cause I found someone to carry me home tonight. Oh, we are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. Oh, we item and the sun. So if prime time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry